Hey YouTube, it's Jordan T 2002 here, and today I'm going to do an Airsoft review on the Thompson M1A1 military Airsoft gun. So, here's the battery. It says charge battery no more than 5 hours, and do not charge battery overnight, but I did one. Well, I've done a few times, and nothing really bad happened. It's probably just not good to do it a lot. And this is the back for this, where the battery goes. And you just put it on like this. You just put it on like that. And then you just push this in. And it's on. And to open it, you just press that forward and it comes off. And it also comes with a sling right here. You put like this. There's that. On this side, like a lot of things, it came off, so I had to put one of these clips on to clip it on. And we also have battery charger, drum mag, which can hold 1,500 bullet, and twist this and the BBs go in the chamber. And here, put the mag in a second. It goes in right here. The two when you take it out, two BBs are in the chamber. And to take it out, you just pull this up, and then you pull it out. Pretty simple. There, it's in. Then you just pull this up and pull on the mag, and then two BBs come out. So yeah, there it is, and here's the sights, which are really good, but if you look right here, mine came off because, like, I don't know, they just came off, so now I just have this, but I can still aim with it. It's still pretty good. I've had this gun for like, I think a year. Can't remember for sure. And here's the safety. This is fire. This is safety. And here's the full auto and single switch. This is single. This is full auto. So yeah, now I will give you a shooting test.